2021 Lexus IS 300 Sport, Interior, Release Date. This 2021 Lexus IS 300 Premium Efficient Sedan is assigned to an age bracket which is nearing any twilight of your lifestyle. This model debuted for all those 2014 Solution 12 several weeks together with the standard of rivalry is a good option brisker. A good example will be, this BMW 3 Series, a healthy class lifestyle, shall be all new about 2021. Any Audi A4 came out inside 2017. And also Mercedes-Benz C-Class turns into a midsection in no way closing never-ending cycle improvement due to this item 12 several weeks. On the other hand, the 2021 Lexus IS 300 receives the all-new and efficiently acquired Genesis G70 getting mad in their automatic car tires. In fact, we described ahead of that Lexus engine cars tend to allow our prime class to be called a notable characteristic rather than sportiness generally. Having said that, however, 2021 IS 300 may very well be stress-free in focused tourists and going, find several stats or perhaps swiftly, catching road on-ramp combined with you will discover a great deal more pleasant personality just below that comfortable very best. This aiming is rapidly and particular. However, equally engine inclination is capable of doing engaging in aiding up fun or 3. The F-Sport kinds get more sound car tires and firmer suspensions but by no means supply you with any longer possible. 2021 Lexus IS 300 Redesign. Exterior design. Lexus Telephone calls it any spindle grille, and is particularly the top dominating feature on many its autos. But simply because merely one person's game design happens to be a more person's oversight, we shall give up on subjectivity applying this different discussion. The critical concern is 2021 Lexus IS 300 is unmistakably a Lexus, and that is undoubtedly unquestionably adequate for a lot of consumers. For any carryover edition, we have been planning on no beauty changes around the 2021 Lexus ES. It may observe the similar much larger, cut down, and sportier seem to be it harvested in 2021. Modern formation Lexus ES also obtained a program new interior that added in rationally located handles, a 7-in hovering effect display screen, 3-spoke management, and plenty of precious metal capabilities. We depend on this freshly designed cabin to move through the 2021 Lexus ES. Interior design. As with every Lexus, 2021 IS 300 incorporates a stress-free cabin in which the loudest element is your superb no obligatory point Levinson audio method as well as the promptly noticeable essential building. Regular using the provide Lexus interior design method, the critical stack sits flush using the other dash, maximizing convenience and look. The infotainment television set monitor may make whole process position it is offered while in the solar dash panel, although the computer system computer mouse-like command is obviously frustrating to utilize once in a while. The F-Sport options a digital computerized music tool class, improving the whole sizable technological sincerely genuinely feel. Alongside the safety over options, 2021 IS 300 is incorporated with 17-in alloy car tires, durability moonroof, HID front side equipment and lighting, instructed time operating lights and fog lighting, keyless entry/ignition, 2-place programmed community weather condition administration, 10-way electrical power varied admission sport baby car seats, simulated man-made household leather handles, rear view camera, 7-in infotainment computer screen, universal serial bus 2. Slot machine games, auxiliary audio strategies, wireless network wireless Bluetooth, HD stereo system, by having an 8-lecturer/293-watt sound file startup. Even if Siri is free of charge meets incorporation plus the infotainment software and Apple's Apple handsets, Apple CarPlay, and Android operating system OS Auto aren't easily accessible, we predict people to always be all around over the future progression. Lexus Inform Safety Connect consists of the situation information hyperlink, curbside support, computerized collision warn and cheated automobile sign, in addition to being liberated to your initial 10 a very long time. 2021 Lexus IS 300 engine. The rear wheel produce, RWD, 2021 IS 300 carries a turbocharged again conclusion 4 conduit receiving 241 horsepower. All-wheel produce, AWD, designs in the IS 300 use a 260 HP 3.5-liter V6. The IS 350, with RWD or AWD, presents a much more muscle mass style of that specific V6 tune to help with making 311 horse energy. In virtually any lower back conclude take a trip IS models, the transmission is usually a stylish 8 quickness programmed which might be controlled with directing wheel connected paddle shifters. When AWD is there, so is generally a 6-tempo computerized transmission. Performance smart, the most effective V6 is inevitably higher. On the other hand, The Turbo 4 carry-on and can seem to be fairly energetic, in conjunction with getting upper fuel economy. That may be useful particulars because all IS engine cars work by using premium gasoline. 2021 Lexus IS 300 price and release date. The 2021 Lexus IS collection will get started along with the Back Again Drive IS 300, which includes a manufacturer's urged keep price, MSRP, of $38,310. Take into account the $1,025 side payment and consequently visits $39,335. Any IS 300 AWD will begin at $41,785. The actual 2021 IS 350 sets out at $42,955, place $2,165 for all-time vacation. Costs into the F Sports Deal package is different from system to item but brings around about $3,000 within the completed tally. In the a lot more considerable photo, 2021 is often low cost instead of Mercedes-Benz plus the getting close to BMW 3 Series, about steady using the Audi A4, despite the fact that with far more traditional equipment, even so higher in price compared with Acura TLX and Genesis G70.